The T7 is one of the most advanced mobile technology carts ever created. T7 seamlessly integrates technology into daily routines while allowing caregivers to work in healthy, comfortable postures so they can focus on what matters most: patient care. Caregivers typically work at computers in 3 to 4 minute intervals and often don't bother to adjust their work tools. But during a typical 10-hour shift, they can clock up to 7 hours of computer time, so working in healthy postures is critical. Studies show that height-adjustable devices are seldom used properly if they're hard to operate. But T7 couldn't be easier to use. Simply enter your height on the touchscreen, then press the standing or sitting icon. Using AutoFit technology, T7 adjusts to the ergonomically correct position. Individuals can save their setting, then adjust the cart by pressing their height. T7 even includes an onboard tutorial, so first-time users can learn how to operate the cart without attending a training session. With the monitor and keyboard at the proper height, the user's body is in an optimal work posture. The neck, shoulders, arms, and wrists are in the most comfortable and safe positions possible, reducing neck and back strain, wrist and hand injury, as well as eye fatigue and headaches. Most carts are harder to navigate than they ought to be, especially when cornering. Not the T7. When turning, just press the bar underneath the push rail, and T7's power track steering instantly activates. A stabilizing fifth wheel descends to the floor to provide a pivot point for easy, tight turns. T7 rolls easily over carpet and effortlessly transitions between uneven surfaces. To prevent the cart from moving, the wheels come with step-down locks. For infection control, T7's wires and cables are routed inside the machine. T7's work surfaces are antimicrobial, and the sealed medical-grade keyboard and mouse are moisture-proof and germ-resistant. The T7 is versatile. It can be set up with an external monitor and CPU or a laptop. The external monitor can swivel up to 270 degrees, so on-screen information can be shared without repositioning the cart. The full array of accessories options, including a shelf for a healthcare-grade thermal printer, a container for gloves, and a bracket for scanners. The battery level icon is easy to read, and the unit recharges from any standard electrical outlet. An LED light strip serves as a nightlight, allowing data entry without disturbing sleeping patients. Specifically designed for ease of use, the T7 mobile technology cart ensures the highest level of comfort and safety possible in a workstation on wheels.